This man.
Hello?
Hello, Nwagbason.
Madam Tram.
Yes, good morning.
Morning.
I was told that you came to my shop.
Yes, I came to your shop this morning. And I did hello? Nobody answered.
Yes, I did back here though.
But I saw a bottle of drink on top of the counter. So I collected it. I even dropped money because I know how much you do sell it. And as I'm talking to that, is even what I'm enjoying.
You mean the Shina bottle way on top of counter? No, tapia.
Oh, no.
Now, tapia, what means? What won't you kill rats when they disturb me for this shop? They disturb me too much.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
But you did not tell me.
What are you even saying? Did you ask me?
Kai.
I drop bottle here, you go carry am. You don't even ask me. Imagine I draw you in but
Wow. God have mercy upon us.